Alright, we're going to do the headlights on the GX, and you can see that there are some clear lines from when, I don't know, I did it last time and it worked really well. I used the 3M kit. I'm going to use the CERAKOTE this time, but my detail guy ran over this with his buffer, and immediately after it went south. So the 3M went well, but not sure, so I'm going to tape it off and we'll see how it goes. Alright, all taped up. Hope this provides a good view of how cloudy they are. Alright. Okay, first you wash the headlights, then you use the oxidation wipe, and you're supposed to use all four with gloves. Clean them all off. Alright, step one is complete, which is the headlight oxidization. It says they should look cloudy when you're done. It does. You can see in here, those things are pretty brown. They're white when you start. When you're wiping it on there, it's nice and clear when you're done. I thought that's never going to turn, but it did. So on to the next step, which is sanding. Alright, all the wet sanding is done. You can see it's starting to dry on there. Should all get nice and foggy. So far, I'm at 48 minutes for both, but I'm being super crazy about making sure all this is dry and crossing it up on my sanding and making sure everything's right. Okay, this reveal is always cool. This is with the 3000, hasn't had the ceramic coating yet. This is when you do the ceramic coating. It is dead nuts clear. Look at that compared to before. That's amazing. Alright, we're going to do this one because I'm not going to hold this. We'll see. There we go. 35 seconds later. There's the other one. Look how well you can see. There's the other side of it. Looks sweet.